Kristen with Westside. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. There's multiple wind-blown shingles, as you can see. It is just throughout this roof. But I'm going to start right here on this one. You can see it's already tore up here at the top. So I'm going to try to see if this roof is even repairable to do the repairs that you guys are prescribing us to do. So first, I'm using the insurance-approved roof snake. I'm going to use this to unseal the shingles on top and on top of here. Alright, so this is the start of this 3-tab. So this is telling me I need to start unsealing over here. Alright, now that I got all of those unsealed, I got to get these nails out. Alright, before I can even do anything, you can already see how this nail is poking through, cutting this shingle in the process. This is already showing this roof is not repairable. You can see how it just cut this whole entire shingle right here. Now I'm getting this one right here. Before I can even do anything, you can see how it's poking through as well. Alright, I just left a gaping hole in this shingle right there. Before I can even do anything, you can already see it's creasing right here. And then this nail is already out of the shingle right here. Gotta get this nail out right there. Next one's right here. Alright, I'm just gonna leave my roof snake right there. I'm gonna get a closer look here. This has completely ripped this shingle. So in the process of trying to get out just one shingle to replace it, it has damaged 3 shingles in the process. This roof is not repairable, but I will continue on. Alright, so this is the shingle that we were getting out to replace. In the process, it has damaged this row of shingles and this row of shingles in the process, cutting it to where now I got to replace those 2, and it's just going to lead further up onto this roof. This roof is not repairable, and not only that, it doesn't even have felt on the roof, which is code. This whole roof needs to be replaced. We're going to go ahead and send this off to you guys.